Want to know how to create Facebook cover just by using Befunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, right here, you can see graphic designer. You can also choose photo editor, but for easiness, I'll go for this one. Now, we need templates. So in order to search for templates, just simply navigate towards the left side and select templates. Now select search templates, and on the search bar just simply type Facebook cover. And after a while, your results should load, and this is how it should look. Click on one and then select use this template. Make sure the resolution is 1702 x 630 pixels. Once you've clicked on use this template, your template should download and you should be able to freely edit. Maybe add some images, delete or whatever. Once you're done, just simply click on save, that is located right here, and save it to your computer or anywhere that you like. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.